Hey everybody, down there between Caliente and Ilmon. Thought we'd head this way. Me and Stan are checking it out, going to a few different places. Got this train, whew, sorry about the wind. Got this train sitting here. There's another one right ahead of him, and there's one coming down the hill that we know of for sure. So catch him making this little meet. So let's flip this around. Let's see what's going on. Heard this guy's horn coming down, but don't know if that was up at the tunnels or Caliente. You can hear the horns from quite a distance up here. But he does have a yellow over yellow going into Ilmon. So he's cleared through that switch out onto single track between Ilmon and Bina. This location has dragon equipment detectors on both tracks. And we'll sit here and wait for this guy to show up. All right. Finally, here comes this guy. Been waiting here for about an hour and a half. So, down the hill. Wanted to shoot this train up in the Caliente Creek Narrows, but they ran those two trains in there, nose to tail, and stopped them, so we weren't able to get this train coming through the S's up there, so we had to settle for this, and I guess that's okay. Take what you can get. Interesting stories that happened to me in my career in this area was in about 1990 or 91, something like that, must have been 91, we cut over the electric code 4 between Ilmon and Caliente, and we could not get the signals to work on the number 2 track, which is now the number 1 track on the other side of this train. Had to call the technicians in from SafeTran, and they finally figured out that at this signal location right here, inside the machine during manufacture, someone had dropped a washer down in there and was shorting out the box. It only took, I think, famous 36-hour cutover. All right, that is our westbound UP between Caliente and Ilmon at the end of the day. Hope you enjoyed that. Keep shooting me the ideas. Drop me comments below. Shoot me an email at motopoet59@gmail.com. Like, share, subscribe. Click on the bell if you want to be notified of future content. See you all later. Hey everybody. Once again, before I let you go, you notice my friend Stan, who came out from Massachusetts and shot some photography for one of his new books, was with me out there, and I want to just plug him again. We had a really good time. Stan Troniak, and his company is called Outdoor Photographics, and I'll put the information up here in a text for the address and all that. The guy's got some really, really cool books. Go check him out, buy some books, make him smile, make yourself smile, because they're really cool books. All right, thanks a lot. See you next time.